Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I carry in my makeup bag. I've done a similar video to this a while ago. I did a what's in my bag video. So if you are interested in seeing what I carry, then just keep on watching. So this is my makeup bag right here. I actually got this little bag at a Dollar General. I gotta say, Dollar General has some pretty good stuff. So I'm gonna open the bag. You see it's just a little zipper like that, and a lot of things can actually fit in this bag. I mean, it's a pretty good size makeup bag. I'm also gonna be clearing out some things that I don't use as much anymore. So when I first organize my bag, I try to keep it as simple as I can, but as time goes on, I start adding things and then eventually it becomes this packed, sometimes to the point where it doesn't even close. So yeah, so it's a good thing that I'm doing this video, that way I can start clearing some of these things. Alright, so first thing is this 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer by Pure. So this tinted moisturizer actually came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I actually love this tinted moisturizer because it leaves your skin glowy without giving you that over glowy look, and overall it just looks very nice on your skin. The only bad thing is that they sent it in a darker shade, but now that I have a little bit of a tan, it fits a little better. The next thing is the Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. If you guys didn't know, I did do a review on this. I actually did like it. It is very, very glowy compared to this one. This one gives you a very glowy, hydrating look, but this one I may have to take out of my bag just because it's a very fair shade. Next thing is this Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. If you guys saw my previous video on my summer makeup tutorial, you guys saw me wear this foundation. This foundation I use when I want a little bit of more full coverage as compared to when I go for this. This is definitely on the lighter coverage, and this one gives me more of a fuller coverage, even though it's not a full coverage foundation, but it definitely covers, so I'll be keeping that. Next, I'm gonna move on to concealers, which I'm seeing a few in here. Actually, I just found another foundation slash CC cream. So I also have this e.l.f. Camo CC cream. This one I'm probably gonna get out of the bag too, just because it's a lighter shade. So for concealers, because I am seeing a lot in here, which I probably don't need all of them. So I have the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. I have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover, and then the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So the two concealers that I have been using more often have been the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral and the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Fair Porcelain. So I'm gonna keep these two in the bag. These other concealers I actually love, but I don't know, I just haven't been going towards them as often. Next thing I see is lip products. So I have this Int Cosmetics lip oil, which I actually got in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I have this MAC lip gloss in the shade Avalanche of Kisses, and then the NYX lip pencil in nude beige. So these are actually my go-to lip products, and I like to keep them in my makeup bag. Next are mascaras. So I love the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. If you guys been watching my channel since the beginning, basically, I've used this mascara since forever. Lately, I've been using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I actually love this mascara too. This I actually like using in both my top and bottom lashes, but it's drying out, so I only use it for my bottom lashes. So I'm almost done here. I have the Duo Lash Glue just in case. I also have the NYX Brow Gel. This I've had forever. There's no lettering anymore. I also have this L'Oreal brow pencil, and then I recently bought again the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, which is a more defined pencil. I actually talked about this pencil in my previous video as well. I also have the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. I love this pencil for my bottom waterline. It just helps open up your eye a little bit and just makes you look awake. So I always have to have this in my makeup bag. Two brushes that I love to carry. I love carrying the Beauty Blender just in case. And then I also have these two brushes right here. This is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and the BH Cosmetics brush. It says number 3, but this actually came in a set and it's just an angled brush. So the Real Technique brush I use for my foundation and my concealer to blend that out, and then this one I use for my bronzer and my blush. I like to keep my brushes at a minimum when I carry my makeup bag, just because I don't like to just have them smushed in there, and that's another thing why I carry these protector things for them. Another thing that I like about these is that, I don't know for you guys that carry makeup bags, if when you're doing your makeup like in the car or wherever, you start feeling your fingers like kind of dirty from just like grabbing your makeup. And I used to wonder why, because I actually clean my makeup products every so often, like when I'm cleaning out my makeup bag, and after a while I used to feel that like dirty feeling on my fingers, and I came to the conclusion that it might have been my brushes just being around the makeup bag. It probably gets product on the bag and probably on the other products that it comes in contact with, and the same goes for the Beauty Blender. So I actually haven't used a Beauty Blender, but I like to keep it there just in case. But when I used to use a Beauty Blender, obviously it would just be there, and same thing as with the brushes, I guess it would get product on the other products that I had in there. So that's why I decided to start putting these little protector things, and not only does it help your brushes bristles stay in place. And for eyeshadow, I like to carry this Natasha Denona palette. This also came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I love to carry it just because it's very neutral and just very like on the go. And I also have my lash curler. I also have my Kat Von D Lock It Powder Foundation by Kat Von D. I have it in the shade Light 45. But I also carry the NYX Matte Bronzer in my bag. And I also like to carry the BH Cosmetics 4-color blush palette in the name Truffle. So that is actually it for this video. I actually didn't have too many products as I thought. I thought I had way more, but it's definitely going to make a huge difference taking out some of these products. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little fun video for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed watching what's in my bag, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos from me. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.